Hi viewers, welcome to Eats of My Kitchen. Today I am going to tell you about unboxing of a very useful kitchen utensil of my kitchen, that is Prestige Omega Deluxe non-sticky cookware. Actually I used this product for 5 years and this is the new one. I ordered it in amazon.in and today I am going to tell the unboxing of this same product. So on the box we can see that they are showing 3 pieces of non-sticky cookware set. So let us open the box and see what is there inside. Okay, so I'm going to unbox it. Inside the box we can see a glass lid. This is the glass lid, and next thing in the box is Kadai. This is the Kadai, you can see here, and next one is a non-sticky fry pan. This is the fry pan. After non-sticky fry pan we can see a dosha pan or a roti pan. We can see here. You can see a stainless steel coating back of these utensils. This indicates that they can also be used on induction cooktop and also on stove. You can see the glass lid. The advantage of this glass lid is it can be used on these 3 utensils. It can be used on kadai, dosha tawa, and also it can be used on non-sticky fry pan. So it is very helpful. One lid it can be fit on 3 utensils. Backside of these utensils you can see a stainless steel coating. This indicates that these vessels can also be used on induction cooktop as well as on stove. So all of these 3 utensils are having this induction. So these 3 can also be used on induction cooktop and also as well as on stove. Here they are providing a use and care manual. In this manual, you are getting the information about how to use this non-sticky cookware set. Here they are telling that it is made with induction base and they are providing with glass lid, and also they are telling that it is metal spoon friendly. That means we can also use metal spoon in this. But friends, I am not using metal spoon. Instead of metal spoon I am using wooden spoon. And how to wash it, they're telling that not to use iron scrubbers to clean it, just a soft spongy scrubber we have to use it to clean this non-sticky cookware. And we should not use forks and a knife in this non-sticky cookware. And also how we have to cook in this is, first we have to cook from low flame to medium flame, then after high flame. We need not to keep these utensils directly on high flame. First low, medium, and then after high. So friends, this is all about unboxing of a very useful kitchen utensil of my kitchen. Hope this product is very helpful to you even. Thank you very much friends for watching this video, and if you like the video, kindly subscribe and share the video with your friends and family.